subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has launched its new mid-range 5G phone in South Korea called LG Q92 with a unique camera design. Talking about the specifications, the LG Q92 features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with a large 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a hole punch at the top center that houses a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup at the top left corner, including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 5-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the LG Q92 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G chipset paired with Adreno 620 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 2 TB via microSD card slot. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 15 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 10 based on LG UX9 skin on top. For security, it has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. Additionally, the smartphone also comes with IP68 certification for dust and water resistance, and it is also certified by military standard 810G. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.5 by 77.3 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 193 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Q92 has been priced in South Korea at 400,000 Korean won, and the smartphone will go on sale in the country starting from August 26th in titanium, white and red color options. So what do you guys think of this LG Q92 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.